I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solved.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing and many more courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. I can do your course on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and websites. Please contact me for your assignment and exam on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. Question number 1 is that show the total row, select the sum function for the donation and profit columns. Okay, show the total row, click on table design, click on total row. You can see this. Show the total row, select the sum function for the donation and profit column. Then we will add sum function for donation and profit column. First we will, sum function is donation. Here as you can see this. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is that with cell A3 selected, create a table from the existence data accept the default setting. Okay, we will create data. First we will click cell 3, then click on insert tab, then click on table, then press OK. Table will be created. On the table design tab in the properties group, click the table name box, tab download Emporium and the press enter. Basically in this question we will rename the table name as download Emporium. Okay, go to the table name and then you can tap here download Emporium in table name. Okay, this question is done now. Okay, select the range G4 to G20 and look at the status bar statistics to see that PG-13 comedies earned $954 for the month with 7 films. Then set a number filter to display record where revenue is greater or equal to 125. Okay, first we will select this range G4 to G20 and then look the status bar statistics. Okay, you can select for this range G4 to G20. Okay, first we select this range G4 to G20 and look at the status bar statistics. Okay, go to the home tab and click on conditional formatting and then here is greater than, we will conditional formatting custom auto filter is that 125. Okay, this question is done now. Now next question is that delete the writer table column from the table only, do not delete column E. Okay, first we delete the writer table column. Here is writer, we will select writer and then right click on this and delete it simply, or you can go to the home tab and go to the cells group and you can delete it. Now tab donation in cell H3, click on cell H3 and then we will tab donation in cell H3. Okay, tab profit in cell I3, click on cell I3 and then tab profit PROFIT. Okay, this is done now. Question is completely done now. Now add a new table row on row 13. First we will click on row 30 and right click on this and then we will insert a new row on row 30. Scroll down, first we will select row 30. Okay, right click on this, click on insert tab, row 30 will be inserted. Then tap pi in the sky in cell A30 and tap PG in cell B30. Press tab. Okay, first we will tap pi in sky in cell A30, click on cell A30 and then tap pi in sky Okay, Pi and Sky, and then click on cell B30 and then tap PG. Okay, then tap garbage man in cell A59 and tap R in cell B59, then press tab. First we will tap garbage man in cell A59, scroll down and then click on cell A59, and then we will tap garbage man in cell A59. Here is garbage man, you can tap garbage man in cell A59. Okay, and then click on cell A59, or in 50 60. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on next question. Apply red tapered style medium tan. Basically in this question we will go to the tapered style and then we will select red tapered style medium tan. Okay, go to the tapered style and go to the medium style and you can select red tapered style medium tan. This is done now. Now question is completed now, you can see here. Now moving on next question is that set a filter to display release dates between 1/1/2015 and 7/31/2015. Okay, go to the filter and you can select this dates between. Custom auto filter is 1/1/2015 and before or equal to 7/31/2015. Okay, then press OK. This question is completely done. Now moving on next question is question number 8. Sort the table by director in alphabetical order. Basically in this question we will sort the table by director in alphabetical order. Go to the home tab, click on sort and filter, click on custom sort. Okay, or you can select first this director column and then you go to the home tab and click on sort and filter, and you can sort it by alphabetical orders. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question is that sort the table by streaming revenue from the largest to smallest. First we will select streaming revenue table. Okay, then go to the sort and filter, largest to smallest. This question is completely done now. Now moving on next question is that apply conditional formatting for the top 5 items in the profit column for the range I4 to I57. Apply green fill with dark green text. Basically in this question we will apply conditional formatting on this top 5 items. First we will select this range I5 to I57. You can select this range and go to the home tab and then click on conditional formatting. Okay, first we will just select this range in range area, then click on conditional formatting in style group. Okay, right click on this top 10 items, top 5 items, top 10 item, and you can change this top 5 item, and color is that green fill dark green text. Okay, I have applied this color, apply green fill with dark green text. Okay, now moving on next question is that in cell H4 calculate the donation amount by multiplying the streaming revenue amount by the percentage in cell I1 using absolute references as needed. Basically in this question we will click on cell H4 and then we will calculate the donation amount by multiplying the streaming revenue amount by the percentage in cell I1. Okay, first we will click on cell H4. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You will follow my video and streaming revenue multiplying by. Okay, then in cell I4 calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. Okay, you will follow my video and you will get A+ grade. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this exam and assignment and complete course for you. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, this question is that in cell I4 calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. Basically in this question we will click on cell I4 and then we will calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. Okay, first we will click on cell I4, then we will enter is equal to and then enter a formula. profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. Streaming revenue subtract from the donation. Okay, then press enter, it will be fine. Profit is here. You can see this. Set the range is 3 to G12 as the print area. Set the range A3 to G12 as the print area. You can first enter this range and then go to the page layout and then click on print titles and set page setup and then row to repeat the top. Okay, sorry. Go to the page layout and then click on print area, set print area. Okay, change the scaling to 90%. Go to the page layout and you can select this scaling 90%. Clear the print area, click on print area. Okay, then print area will be cleared. This question is done now. Next question is that set the filter display record from which the rating is PG-13 only. Okay, set the filter display records. You can select all and then PG-13 will be show only. Then press OK. Without clearing the existing filter, set a filter display record for which the genre is comedy only. Okay, select all and then comedy only, then press OK. This question is completely done. Now moving on, next question is that change the order for the genre sort level to the following custom list: comedy, drama, adventure, horror, foreign. Okay, basically in this question we will change the order for the genre sort level for the following custom list. Okay, go to the home tab and then click on find and sort and filter. Okay, then genre and then click on custom list. You can add this custom list. First is comedy and then second is drama. You can tab here. Custom list is that list drama, and third is adventure. And then horror, and then foreign. Then press OK, then again press OK. This question is completely done now. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. Basically in this question we will freeze the top row. Okay, first we click on view tab and then click on freeze pane. You can see freeze pane is here, then freeze top row. Unfreeze the top row, then again we will click on view tab and click on freeze pane and unfreeze the top row. Okay, click in cell B4 and freeze the panes above and the left of the active cell. Okay, first we will click in cell B4 and freeze the panes above and to the left of the active cell. Yes, B4, then go to the freeze pane and then freeze pane. Okay, this is done now. Question is complete. Now display the worksheet is page break preview. Basically in this question we will use page break preview. Okay, go to the page layout and then click on page break preview. Insert a page break between row 39 and 40. Okay, scroll down and then we will page break between row 39 and 40. Here is 39 and 40. Click on row 40 and then click on page break. Then the page break will be click on breaks and then insert page break is here between 39 and row 40. Okay, click on row 39 and click on breaks and insert page break. Okay, okay, this is done now. Page break will be inserted here. Now next question is that apply conditional formatting to display gradient orange data bars for the donation data in the range H4 to H57. You can select this range and then go to the home tab and then click on conditional formatting. Okay, first we will select this range H4 to H57, click on conditional formatting and data bars is that go to the data bar gradient fill orange data bars for orange gradient field. Okay, this question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. Apply condition of formatting that highlights cell containing PG13 in the range B4 to B57 with light red fill with dark red text. Okay, we will apply condition of formatting that highlights PG13. Okay, first we will select this range B4 to B57. You can select first this range and then go to the condition of formatting tab. Click on home tab, click on condition of formatting, and then go to the text that contains is PG13, and you can select this color. Okay, this question is completely done now. Now moving on, next question is that create a new conditional formatting rule that uses a formula to determine which cell to format in the range A4 to 57 tab. The formula is equal to add into B4 is equal to PG13 I4 greater than 125. Apply bold font style and blue 8 column under standard color font color. Okay, basically in this question we will create a new conditional formatting rule. First we will select this range A4 to 57 in range area. You can select this range first. Okay, select this range, go to the conditional formatting, then go to the new rule, use formula to determine which cells to format is the rule that you can enter this formula is here, and then bold and font color style as blue. Click on blue, then press OK, then again press OK. This question is done now. Edit the condition formatting rule for range A4 to 57, also applying a yellow background fill color. We will apply yellow background fill color. Apply yellow background fill color. Okay, then click on OK, again click on OK, and then you will press again OK. This question is completely done now. Moving on, next question, question number 19. Select row 1 to 3 as title to repeat on each page. Go to the page layout, click on print area. You can select row to repeat atop. Okay, row to repeat top is 1 to 3 and A, then press OK, then print area is that. Okay, this question is completely done now. You can see this, I have done 99% of this exam. For remaining question or you want to do for complete course, if you do not able to do this exam or assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will handle your complete course. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.